Hi students, welcome to Intro to Creative Software, CIS 127. I'm Christy Hughes and I will be instructor for the course. Please note that you are required to have an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Here's a link that I provide for you. You can also obtain, I believe, a 30-day trial if needed. JC's main campus has, and the Solution Center can also direct you as to what those discounts are, I believe, and you just have to have access to it. And we do have access, and we provide the software in the William Atkinson Library. Students can go there and work and access the software that way as well. I hold lab time each week on campus on Wednesday mornings. It actually shows that I'm on Central Campus from 1 to 4, but I'm actually there from 8:30 to 1, and I'm in room 222. So if you really need to access, or if you want to come see me in general and ask questions, I'll be there all day on Wednesdays. If you're from Hillsdale, Adrian Campus, or elsewhere, you can set up an appointment with me or contact me from these locations too during these times. Just let me know, or leave me a message on the phone or an email. I respond within 24 to 48 hours, sometimes sooner. Just make sure that you put the course number, CIS 127, in the email, because sometimes it takes me forever to understand. I just get random student emails. I don't understand Project 1, and then I have to try and figure out what class and where you're from. And before I know you, that's kind of difficult. So each week, you'll have an overview of what's required. You'll have instructions, which you want to read every week. It goes through what's going to be graded, and what you'll want to do. For sure, you review. I'll give you resources that substitute or supplement the learning material that you are working on that particular unit. And then you'll have an overview. There's usually a forum. There's usually a quiz or an assignment. So this week, there's a forum and then a Unit 1 quiz. Of course, because we don't have a textbook, it's textbook 0. We are actually working directly from just my own teaching and experience and connecting you to important links, industry standard information based on my experience, as well as the links that I find valuable. And we're connecting to Adobe Help as well, which is open access. So there's lots of information out there. You'll want to review the big 3, how Adobe, Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator connect, and how Acrobat sort of supports that as well. We're going to be talking a little bit about the Creative Cloud and Mac versus PC. And then you'll have a quiz based on that. It will be, obviously, it's open access quiz. You'll have multiple attempts, and it is not timed for this first week. So this is sort of a dive-in review and touch points on what's important and what we're going to be learning. If you have any questions, please let me know. Each week I will try and post a video. If there's not a video, then you can read the instructions and go step by step that way. Again, if you have questions, let me know, and I look forward to working with all of you. Have a great week.